Hi guys, how are you all? So as you know, we are making a series on Kotlin Basics for beginners, and in our last video we have learned about visibility modifiers in Kotlin and how you can use them and what is the use of each visibility modifier. So today we are going to learn about a new keyword in Kotlin, that is object. So let's get started and learn more about it. Kotlin, let's create a Kotlin file and class. Let's name it as object keyword and just create a file. So today we are going to learn about object keyword, which we use in Kotlin. So in Java, as you know, we can create basically a class and then we can create its object. But in Kotlin, what we can do is we can simply create a object of a anonymous class. We don't need to create a class for it. We can directly create objects and we can define functions, where variables, everything we want in it. So how we can do it? We can do it like this. We can give this name like object and name it like ABC, anything you want, and then just define like where uh, like name that is equals to John or anything, and you can define function as well in it, function, test function, and we can then you can just do anything, print I am test. So you can define objects and you can define any number of objects in Kotlin in a file or anywhere you want, and you can it will work as a singleton object. So basically what is an object? So object in Kotlin, if what it will do in background, it will create an anonymous class for you Kotlin and then define its object. So first thing, that is like with the help of object we are creating a class and its object at once. So another thing with object, that is in objects there is no constructor allowed. So we cannot make a constructor of an object, but you can define an init block inside it. So that's what one thing. And also with objects, basically these follow the singleton pattern. That is uh, there is like we cannot create any constructor, so it will object will be created at once and you can directly use it. So for example, like we can do print and we can do one thing like a, we have a dot, we use a name, and we have test. We can use it like this. When I'm going to run it, it is going to print. So with the what will, like how you understand the single pattern, like it will its object is created once and we cannot create its multiple objects, and there is no constructor allowed. It is like for example we have a logger class or we have a database class, so we will create its object once and we can use it throughout the application. So Kotlin, you can see like I am test is printed. So and also we can inherit in object, we can inherit classes and interfaces we want. So for singleton pattern, let's see an example. And also you can create any number of objects, but you if you want multiple objects in a class, if you want multiple objects to be created, you can define also them in a class. So now let's see for how you can use a singleton pattern, what is the mean of it. For example, if you have a um, bunch of employees and if you want to increase their age, or you can say if you have a bunch of students and you want to increase their uh, age as per their standard goes up. So we can do one thing,
student students, and let's now have to, because is initially 0, name is also age is 0, and we want to do like we want to increase their we don't want to increase their age that like not combine, we want to increase their age like, or you can say money or anything individually. So what we can do is increase, let's define a function, increase John we can say, and same. So yeah. Now, if you want, what we can do is we can just simply call it from outside the now. What we can do, we can simply in student dot. As you know, we are having John and James, access of John and James as well. So as in our previous video, we know learned about visibility modifier. So we should be making them as private so that no one other than this can replace these values of this variable. So let's increase John one dot, and so what I can do is I can simply increase the values individually, and also let's increase James once, and let's create another function to display that is equals to, okay, maybe we have print, not print names, print values. What is let print, and in this what we are doing, simply print John, and let's print James. So now all this as well, then dot display. Yeah. So let's run it and see.
You will see like how you can yeah, 3 and 1, because we increased John is by 3 and this by 1. So you can create a single object and you can call functions individually. You don't need to combinely call them, and you don't need to create its object. You can directly use this throughout your application wherever you want. You want to increase it's once or twice, like from anywhere from the application. So this is how it works. And now also let's see how we can create like anonymous class, and basically anonymous object, and using object keyword, and we can how we can implement classes and interfaces to it. So for this, let's remove this, and yeah, so let's define an interface display, and okay, interface display, and define a function display names. And in this, so also how we can define objects is like this. Let's have a variable, and in this you can also define an object like this. Yeah, you can define an object like this, and also you can define variable x equals to 0, or you can create a function, and you can access directly like this as well, obviously dot x abc or anything. So this is how you can also define objects. And for now, what we want to see is we have defined an interface display. So what you can do is just like we can implement our interface to a class, we can also directly implement to an object that is an anonymous object, and we can simply say implement members, okay, to do, and we can simply run it like I am display, and you can directly access it like this, obj dot display names. So when we are going to run it, I am display, you can simply see it like this. So this is how you can also define, like you can anonymously you can implement interfaces using objects. This will in background it will create an anonymous class, and we are implementing it to that class. Also, if you want to see, like, we can simply open class, and make it as name display, and let's pass a variable, and in this as well function print name, and in this also print im. We can do it like this. So yeah guys, we have created an open class display, and we have given a function, open function, that is print name. So in our main function, we have taken an object, and let's have a display and pass a name, and simply, yeah, now what we can do, we can simply override the function print name as well. We can say print what is println, and I am from object, and we can simply name, add this like this. And let's try to, what we need to do is obj dot what we print name. Yeah, so let's run it and see. So you will see, like, you will get, yeah, I'm John, I'm from the object, because here we have called the super, so it is going to call this function as well, and now it is printing here as well. This is from the object and this is from the super class. So guys, this is how you can use object in Kotlin, and basically to basically to just use create objects and directly functions, and also you can use it as an expression to for inner classes. So this is all about object in Kotlin. Hope you have learned something new today, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, guys, keep liking and subscribing to the channel, and do let me know if you want me to make some videos on some specific topics, and we will try to cover those as well. We will learn something new in our next video. Till then, guys, cheers and bye. Thank you.